Every refined product begins far from the factory floor.
Care at the source defines quality in the end.
From living sources, valuable elements begin their industrial journey.
The road to refinement begins with a single collected drop.
The raw source now begins its journey toward refinement. Distance separates nature from industry. Modern manufacturing begins long before the machines start.
Here, raw nature meets engineered precision. Behind these walls, simple materials become everyday essentials.
Precision begins the moment raw materials arrive.
Flow marks the first movement of transformation.
Inside the factory, transformation truly begins. Purity begins with careful separation.
The transcription is a narration that states, "Modern machines refine what nature provides."
Controlled storage prepares the next transformation.
The factory now prepares to create the formula. Here, raw elements meet engineered precision. Balance in formulation defines every finished product.
Precision ensures every batch remains identical.
Heat and motion guide the formula toward its final form.
Flow carries the formula deeper into transformation.
Industrial motion perfects the texture of the formula. The character of the product begins to emerge.
Now the factory prepares for precision at scale.
Automation transforms volume into consistency. Controlled storage prepares the next transformation. Precision begins with perfect placement.
Here, raw elements meet engineered precision. Sealed and secured, the product moves closer to completion. Identity meets precision on the production line. Perfection is measured one bottle at a time.
Now the factory tests the result of its precision.
Even perfection must be verified.
Science confirms what machines produce.
Quality lives in the smallest details.
With approval granted, the journey nears completion.
Organization ensures efficiency at every step.
Stability and protection prepare the product for transit.
Proper storage preserves quality until it reaches consumers.
And this is how modern factories produce Hello Hair shampoo from start to finish.